Right, so this is my Volvo Penta D4 260. I'm down in the engine bay today because I'm going to clean out my raw water strainer. And start by unscrewing the retaining clips. I'm going to undo them in an order so it doesn't warp the lid. Put those safely out the way. Lift the lid off. That's safely out the way as well. Now, the tricky bit, get the strainer out. There we go. If you look in there, you can see it's pretty stacked with weed. So we'll put that in there. Now I'm going to go and take that ashore onto the pontoon and wash all the weed out. Be back in a moment. Inside here is a lot of a build-up of sludge. I'll insert a picture so you can see it. So I'm just going to wipe that out. You can see there. There's the filter, or the insert I should say, looking a bit cleaner. If you notice in there, I'll put it in an insert again, there's a slot and two holes. That has to line up with the same slot and the two holes down here. So I'm just going to line that up. Got my hand in there so I can actually feel that it's located inside. That's lined up nicely. Again, just going to get the glass cover. Give that a quick wipe off. All looks good. Hold the glass so it doesn't fall out. Put it back in. And then put my 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks for watching A Life More Boating. Don't forget to subscribe.